is all that Twitch money, man?
4, 3,
Nah,
2,
he isn't that much.
1.
Okay, orb, don't be in front of it. Shatter. Bombs, get ready to move to Skull. Remember, the circle marker of the 2 bombs will be the one closest to Skull, but everyone still goes to Skull. Okay, 3, 2, 1, dispel. Awesome job. So yeah, that's all we're gonna do. Next one will go to X. I mean, rinse, repeat all the way around. Res Destrada.
Beware.
You got an orb, Jimmy. Shatter. It's a double shatter. Get me ready to move twice. Awesome job. Orb damage. Bombs going out in 3. Get ready to move to X. Okay, 3, 2, 1, mass. Awesome job. Again, dodge swirls. Got another double orb, Jimmy.
Beware.
Please do not be in front of the orbs. Awesome job. Let's get orb damage. Next one will go to blue square for the bombs. Coming out in 2 seconds. Get ready to bombs. Level once it's out. Go to blue square.
Beware.
3, 2, 1, mass. Jimmy, when you can.
Yeah.
Beware.
Grab a triple shatter here. This is a triple shatter. 3, 1. This is 2, and there's a third one after. Vandal Trank. Suffering, please do not be between the orbs. Awesome job. Let's get good damage here. Get ready for bombs. Bombs will go toward Moon. You can run an orb, do an orb. Help your healers. But do these bombs. Bombs to Moon. To Moon, to Moon, to Moon. 3, 2, 1, mass.
That was so fucking close to me being silenced.
Yep.
What the fuck?
Yep. Orbs.
Beware.
We will have another set of bombs in 4. They will go to triangle. But I just say 2 sufferings like it was nothing. Do these bombs. These bombs are important. Do these bombs. Malevolence to triangle. Malevolence to triangle. 3, 2, 1, mass. And kill boss. Good job. Loot.
Oh my god, dude, you never